I wanted to share this case that I got. It's the Zoss3D, and it's for your DJI Pocket 3. Pretty awesome. This housing lets me attach more things. This housing makes it more girthy, so it doesn't seem like it's a small deal here. So what I did was I got the housing. I got the magnetic holder for my iPhone, and here I put on some glass lens. As you can see, that's glass. And then I got a lens cover for it. I got a handle right here, a newer handle right there. And you can see I also bought me a battery pack that plugs in through this dongle right here. And also it has the microphone. I love this because there's so many different ways to connect so many different things. I even added this on here just in case I want to connect something else. But there's my setup, Zoss3D, and pretty freaking cool. That way I can show you.